Flying out Cape San depth move could have been tonight. Still, go. You are my sunshine, drop of joy, and the pit of my life. I would not have been able to do anything without you. When I wake up, the first person I think about is you. You are so precious to me, a pretty cat and Edro, my dear sweetheart. You are the night light in the dark, the sun after the rain, the shelter in the storm, the heaven where I am continuously I feel protected. You are my only love, you are my everything. My heart was turned to pieces, but you came to heals it when want and fill the dam. Well, the pressed and most sincere affection that has every excited. Thank you for sweet and I will keep caring, adoring and loving you forever during the easy time and the challenge we will face. We are in this together and you are my partner for life. My love, I was showing my sons your picture on my phone and he asked me that the want come and see you with me. Love very soon. I will come to meet you in person with my son was very happy. Can see the smile on his face. He said want to be with you. Said that the want you to be the mother. I am very happy to hear that from son very soon we are coming. Okay, my love. I love you so much. I cannot wait to see you in persons. I promise to be there when you need me to fill your day with sunshine to comfort you and encouraging you to help your reach your close to hold you when you need it most and to always love you. These aren't just words, they are a commitment to the love we share. I am here for you in big moment, the smile once always ready to offer you my love and so supporting every morning. I wake up and I think of you, and every night I go to sleep with you in my heart. You are the rhythm of my day, the melody that soothes me, the harmony, the balance my life. I could continue to count down the reason why I love you, but I know idea never get the idea of there is no one else in this world that could take your place. I love you. I will spend the rest of my life making you happy. You have brought so much to my life. I do not know where I would be there without you. You illuminate my days and brought me up all the dark sports. I tried to think of the sweetest way to wake up, but all can think of you is so I ended up giving you the simplest morning greeting. My heart could never know I love you. Your love is a like longing that I feel from my heart. You know you are a special part, so much so that I cannot wait without you. Your love is so special and your love is so true, darling. Never change in life. Don't be the persons you are not. I will love you united the end of time, and that is my promise with every throw. I am so lucky to be with you, darling. I am love so in love with you, my darling.